Did you know that AI-generated designs have already won awards in the automotive industry, proving that machines can create innovative concepts just as well as humans? Today, we're going to explore a question that's been on everyone's mind. Will AI replace human automotive designers in 2024? It's a topic that sparked a lot of debate, with some arguing that AI will augment human creativity, while others believe it'll eventually replace it altogether. The automotive industry has always been at the forefront of innovation, and the rise of AI is just another chapter in that story. From concept to production, AI is increasingly being used to streamline the design process, making it faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective. But as AI's influence grows, so do concerns about its impact on human designers. Will they be replaced by machines, or will they be able to work alongside them to create something truly innovative? That's what we'll be exploring in this video. The idea of AI replacing human designers is a scary one, especially for those who have dedicated their lives to creating beautiful, functional, and innovative cars. The concerns are real, and they are not just limited to job security. There's a legitimate fear that AI will stifle creativity, and that the human touch will be lost in the design process. Another issue is that AI systems lack the emotional connection that human designers have with their work. They don't have personal experiences, emotions, or passions that drive their creativity. They are purely analytical, which raises questions about the type of designs they'll produce. The biggest concern, however, is that AI will displace human designers, leaving many without jobs. The automotive industry is a massive employer, and the thought of AI taking over design roles is a daunting one. But it's not all doom and gloom. Many experts believe that AI will augment human creativity rather than replace it. They'll work together to create something truly innovative, with AI handling the more mundane tasks and humans providing the creative spark. The question is, can AI really replicate the creativity of human designers? The answer is, it's complicated. While AI can generate designs that are aesthetically pleasing, they often lack the context and understanding that human designers take for granted. For example, AI might design a car that's aerodynamically perfect, but forgets to take into account the human element. It might create a design that's visually stunning, but impractical for everyday use. The truth is, AI is really good at processing data, but it's not so great at understanding the nuances of human behavior. That's where human designers come in, to provide context, to provide empathy, and to provide a deep understanding of what makes a design great. So, where are we currently in terms of AI in automotive design? The answer is, we're in a state of rapid evolution. AI tools are being used to enhance creativity, to streamline the design process, and to reduce costs. Companies like Autodesk, Siemens, and Dassault Systems are already using AI to develop innovative design tools. These tools are being used to create complex geometries, to simulate real-world scenarios, and to optimize design for performance and efficiency. AI is also being used to analyze massive amounts of data, providing insights that human designers might miss. It's helping to identify trends, to predict consumer behavior, and to create personalized designs that cater to individual tastes. One of the most exciting developments in AI-powered design is the use of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These networks consist of two neural networks that work together to generate new designs that are often innovative and sometimes bizarre. For example, a GAN might generate a car design that's a cross between a sports car and an SUV. It might sound crazy, but it could also be the next big thing in automotive design. A great example of AI in action is the work being done by the AI-powered design startup, Waymo. They are using AI to develop autonomous vehicles that are not only safer but also more efficient and environmentally friendly. Waymo's AI system is capable of processing vast amounts of data, including sensor data, GPS data, and mapping data. It's able to simulate real-world scenarios, predict human behavior, and make decisions in real time. Their work has the potential to revolutionize the automotive industry, making transportation safer, more efficient, and more accessible to everyone. Another significant development is the use of AI in virtual reality design. This allows designers to create immersive, interactive designs that can be experienced in real time. Virtual reality design is a game changer because it allows designers to test and refine their designs in a virtual environment, reducing costs and accelerating the design process. But what about the human element? How do human designers work alongside AI tools to create something truly innovative? The answer is, it's all about collaboration. Human designers bring their creativity, their passion, and their emotional connection to the design process. AI tools bring their analytical powers, their ability to process data, and their speed. Together, they create something truly innovative, designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, efficient, and safe. In conclusion, the question of whether AI will replace human automotive designers in 2024 is a complex one. While AI has the potential to augment human creativity, it's unlikely to replace it altogether. The future of automotive design is one of collaboration, where humans and AI tools work together to create something truly innovative. So, what do you think? Will AI replace human designers, or will they work together to create something amazing? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on AI, technology, and innovation. Thanks for watching.